All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's showdown time. In the red corner, standing at a very average height, we have Jovial Joe. And over there in the blue corner, we have... where is it? Oh, there it is. We have the Furious Flu. All right, get set, round one. Go! That was too easy.
Yeah, the flu sure can pack a punch, and in 2023, it's come out swinging. See, even though the flu wreaks havoc every winter, health experts reckon that this year there's been a very early and quick rise in cases. In fact, more than 1 million Aussies have already battled the illness in 2023. And nearly 500,000 of them are people under the age of 14, with kids aged 5 to 9 at the greatest risk.
It has been a major issue around the country. It's putting pressure on our public hospitals, so there's still a lot of winter to play out yet.
So why is the flu running rampant? Well, there are a few reasons, starting with our old friend, or enemy, I guess, COVID. During the pandemic, there was much less exposure to the flu, since people were spending more time inside, wearing masks, and just generally being more hygienic. There's also been a big drop in flu vaccination rates in young children, meaning that many kids are now being exposed to the flu virus for the first time, and their bodies aren't prepared to protect them from infection. See, our bodies rely on the immune system, a network of cells, chemicals, tissues, and organs, which fights infections and diseases. Literally a bodyguard. Get it? Alright. If the flu gets the upper hand on our immune system, it can be really dangerous. People have died because of the flu or ended up in hospital.
Flu is a slightly unpredictable disease.
It's a relatively frequent cause of hospitalisation of young children from either influenza infection, exacerbation of asthma, bronchiolitis and the like, and children can get seriously unwell.
For our immune system to have the best chance at beating infections, it needs to know the game plan. Which is where vaccines come in. See, vaccines contain a weaker version of the virus that essentially trains our immune systems to deal with it. So, health experts and officials across the country are encouraging young people and their parents to roll up their sleeves and get the jab.
Get your flu jab. It protects you, it protects your family.
I know that everyone's a bit sick of talking about respiratory illness, but flu was definitely a deadly, life-threatening illness long before COVID was on the radar.
If you haven't been vaccinated, it is not too late, and it's a critical thing for your health.